Hey, someone asked a question of what kind of harmonies I was using on a recent performance of Silent Night. The quick answer is I was using the easiest harmony, which is a third above the melody. We just did a monthly challenge, I think 2 months ago, about easy harmonies using thirds. Let me show you what that means. So I was playing Silent Night in G major. Silent Night. The melody is in G major. So D, E, D, B. We could do harmony any number of ways. The easiest harmony is a third above the melody or a third below. I do have full lessons on Accordion Love. So a third below looks like this. Right? Instead of just playing the melody, I'm playing the note that's a third below. That's one harmony, the one that we're used to hearing. The method that I chose is a third above. And the reason we're playing that F sharp, not the F natural, is because the G major scale is this. It contains that F sharp. So what I was playing was... And then the next part of the melody, right? A, F sharp. We can play that, the harmony third below, or a third above. Again, third below, or a third above. And that's why it sounds a little bit different. We're not used to that harmony typically. We could do a fifth harmony. It's up to us. The left-hand chords I was using, I do have sheet music on Accordion Love. If we're in G major, G major, G major, A minor, D, G7, C major. And here I think I did the G major over a B bass. Da, 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 da. E major. Again, C major. Da, da, D major, G. Or G over a B. La, da, da. E major 7. A minor to D to the G. E minor. A minor to D to the G. And that makes it really... yeah, it makes it a little bit more flowy. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your question. Bye-bye.